Oh, wow! G'day, I'm Scott Gibbons and I'm here at the Sydney show. It's at Rosehill. It's the caravan and camping show. Oh, it's fabulous. Now, when you come through the Unwin Street entry, the very first place you come to is Camperact. Why do you come to Camperact? Because they help you get your Camperact together. And they've got such an array from small through to ultra large and luxurious. But importantly, if you've got a tray back ute, then you might get a tray mate, and that enables you to have a trailer, or tow your boat, or tow a pod, or tow your horse float, whatever you want to do, and you've still got your luxury accommodation. And then you come all the way through. If you want a toy hauler, they've got the toy hauler to beat all toy haulers, and it's got an ensuite as well. Optional, but you can choose that. Then you come through where you've got the tray on camper. Then you go through the Kimberley. Now the Kimberley range is magnificent. Kimberley caravan, and they've got the campers as well. And as you come further around, if you want batteries, they've got batteries, lithium batteries. They can give you all the advice on lithium all the way through so that you are fully charged up. And then as you come back around, you've got the track, and you've also got the Stockman range. Oh, they've got it all. So this is what you can expect when you come to see the Camperact display at the Sydney show at Rosehill. Oh, they've got it all. But importantly, they help you. They'll give you all the advice, they'll help you with finance, and they'll make sure that you're on the road to your holiday destination super quick. And they love selling Aussie product. Aussie product, that's what they're famous for. So come and have a look at them. Come to Camperact, camperact.com.au, Camperact, where they'll help you get your Camperact together.